Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto Think Phone to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bars right away. Now type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. To use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on those two smartphones. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can choose Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. From here, select Send at the bottom left corner of Think Phone and Receive at the bottom next to Send on an Android. Stay a while on an Android and pick the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Motorola. Finally, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and tap on Send next to Selected. This way, you will choose all of those files to transfer them later on. You can also just click on some of them. I will go with only one. And tap on Send then. In this pop-up, tap on Got It and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, you can do that by tapping on this scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, click on Input Key section, below Enter the key, type in all of those numbers correctly, and when you're ready, connect by choosing Receive button. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!